Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to download and install Litematica for Minecraft. If you love building in Minecraft, then Litematica is one of the best mods you can get. It lets you download schematics, plan builds, and even guide you to block by block today. I'll show you exactly how to install Litematica using Fabric Mode Loader step by step. Firstly, Litematica requires a Fabric Mode Loader. Go to fabricmc.net/use. Download the installer for your Minecraft version and run it with Java and click Install. And that's it, Fabric is ready to go. Now head over and download Litematica from the version of Minecraft. Make sure it matches the Fabric version you just installed. Now on your keyboard, press Windows plus R at the same time, then type appdata. Then hit enter. This will open your roaming folder. Just find the folder called .minecraft. Inside, look for a folder named mods, and if you don't see one, just create it. Drag and drop your Litematica jar file into the mods folder. Now launch Minecraft and hit the play button. Select the profile titled Fabric and hit play. Minecraft will now launch with Fabric and Litematica will be installed. If this guide helped you, drop a like, comment your favorite Minecraft mod, and subscribe for more Minecraft tutorials.